When people look at automotive aftermarket shock absorbers market, they often assume it's controlled by few global giants. But the number tells a different story. ZF leads with 11%, followed by Tenneco at 10% and KYB at 9%. Astemo and Anand Group holds 4% and 3% respectively. What's interesting is that even these top 5 players account for just 37% of the global market. That means nearly two-thirds of the market is still shared by regional manufacturers and specialized aftermarket supply. It's a clear indication that success in this market isn't just about scale. It's about strong distribution, broad product portfolio, and continuous innovation in ride control technologies. Markets move fast. Your decision needs to move faster. The 360i research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.